Hello, my name is Om Prakash Kumar and this is the introductory video of physics and my topic is refraction. I have already written my topic on my whiteboard. So first I want to explain what is refraction. Okay, the refraction means changing a direction of light after when ray of light passing through the transparent medium. It means suppose we have a transparent medium like glass. Okay, this is a glass. When we are trying to pass a ray of light in this transparent medium, okay, and the outer surface means outer area must be a air. Okay, when ray of light enter in this glass means which kind of glass? Transparent glass. Transparent glass. Okay, then the direction of speed light, this is the direction of speed light, changes. Okay, and this phenomenon is known as refraction of light, and I already explained about their definition. Why refraction will be happen? Because the speed of light different in different medium. I hope you should understood about my definition, whatever I have told you about the refraction. Okay, so this is our diagram. Okay, this is incident ray, this is refractive ray, and as we know that also what is incident ray. In the previous classes we have already learned about incident ray or previous section also. When a ray of light coming from any source is called incident ray, and after the refraction when ray of light exit, this exit ray is called refractive ray. Okay, now as we know that also this ray must be a normal ray. Okay, normal ray divides the angle between incident and refractive. Okay, look at, this is the incident ray and this is the normal ray. The angle formed between incident ray and normal ray is called angle of incident. Okay, and the angle formed between refractive ray and normal ray is called angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. Okay, so I hope you understood. Just note down the diagram, and next I have to retain their definition also. Okay, now look at the board. I have written their definition, whatever I explained in the previous section. Refraction, the change in direction, I have already told you, of light when it passes which kind of medium? Transparent medium, means one medium to another medium. It's called refraction of light. Okay, this is the incident ray and this is the refractive ray, and this is our normal ray. Okay, angle I means angle of incident, angle R means angle of refraction. What is the cause of refraction? I have already told you, speed of light is different in different medium. Okay, I have written the same thing whatever I have explained. Okay, so take the screenshot, then I will explain what is medium. Okay, please take. So I hope you have taken a screenshot. Now I am going to erase it. Okay, so now my next section will be medium. Okay, what is medium? I have already told about the transparent medium. Okay, means when a ray of light passes through the transparent substances, it's called medium. Okay, when a ray of light passes through transparent substance, it's called medium. Okay, the word medium means transparent substance. Okay, how many types of medium? There are two types, rarer and denser. What is rarer medium? The speed of light, where the speed of light is maximum, where the speed of light is maximum. Okay, it's called rarer medium, like air. What is denser medium? Where the speed of light is minimum. Example, water. Okay, means denser medium means where the speed of light is minimum, for example water, and rarer air. I hope you got it about the medium. Just take a screenshot. Okay, I hope you have taken a screenshot. Now I am going to explain rules for refraction. Okay, so there are two types of rule we have to learn. First rule, rule 1. Suppose when ray of light coming from air to the water, means air is rarer medium and water is a denser medium. In this case, the ray of light, after the refraction, it bends towards the normal. Okay, this is the normal line and it bends towards the normal. In this case, angle I is greater than angle R, means angle of incident is greater than angle of refraction. When ray of light passes from air to water, okay, because air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium, after refraction it bends towards the normal line. Okay, this is the first case. So I hope You got it? Okay, just take a screenshot. So now I'm going to write their explanation. When a ray when a ray of light passes through rarer medium to denser medium, after the refraction it bends towards the normal, okay. In this case the angle of incident is greater than the angle of refraction. Okay, take a screenshot, then I will explain rule number 2. Okay, I hope you have taken a screenshot. Now I'm going to explain rule number 2. For rule number 2, suppose this is the water and this is the air. Air means rarer medium and water means denser. Now in this case, when ray of light passes denser medium to rarer medium, after the refraction, it far away from the normal. Okay, this is our normal ray and it will be a far away from the normal. The figure must be little tilted. This is our incident ray, means angle of incident, and this is our angle R. So by this figure we can say that angle R is greater than angle I. Okay, so I hope you got it about the rule number 2. When ray of light passes from denser medium to rarer medium, it far away from the normal when after the refraction. Take a screenshot so I can explain their explanation. Okay. When a ray of light passes through denser medium to rarer medium, it far away from far away from the normal after the refraction. Okay, in this case in this case angle of refraction is greater than the angle of what? Incident. So I hope you should understood. Take a screenshot, then we conclude the video. That's enough for today. So I want to tell, if you have any doubt and queries, so please ask through the comment section. Thank you very much.